Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on subtraction using columns. In grade 2, students are shown how to subtract numbers using columns. This method will be used for the rest of their school careers. So for example 1, if we look at 7 minus 2, there is the 7, there's the 2, they are perfectly lined up in a straight line, and there's your minus sign. So 7 take away 2 is 5, 9 take away 1 is 8, 6 take away 5 is 1, 2 take away 2 is 0, and 8 take away 5 is 3. The important thing to remember that for each sum, the numbers are perfectly lined up. We can also subtract using two columns. This column here is the ones column, and this column here is the tens column. And the principles are exactly the same. The numbers are lined up perfectly in each column. 8 take away 5 is 3, 7 take away 3 is 4. 3 take away 2 is 1, 9 take away 8 is 1. The answer is 11. 9 take away 9 is 0, 9 take away 8 is 1. The answer is 10. 2 take away 1 is 1. 2 take away 1 is 1. The answer is 11. 5 take away 3 is 2. 9 take away 2 is 7. Answer 72. 6 take away 5 is 1. 7 take away 7 is 0. We don't have to have the 0 here, so the answer is 1. So notice in every example, all the numbers are perfectly lined up. We can also solve simple problems that involve the operation of subtraction. Example 1. Bill had 45 marbles. He gave 24 of his marbles to Harry. How many marbles did Bill have left? So 45 minus 24. 5 take away 4 is 1. 4 take away 2 is 2. So Bill had 21 marbles left. In a car park there were 78 vehicles. If 46 vehicles left the car park, how many remained? 78 minus 46, 8 minus 6 is 2, 7 minus 4 is 3, 32 vehicles remained. In a school year the total number of students is 97. If 43 of these are boys, how many girls are there? So if we go 97, 9, 7 take away 43, 7 take away 3 is 4, 9 take away 4 is 5, there are 54 girls. So that's just a basic introduction on how to do subtraction using columns.